Today we're going to learn about the zero conditional, a simple but powerful structure in English grammar. Let's start with the form, structure. If present simple, we use the zero conditional to talk about things that are always true, facts, rules of nature, or general truths. Think of it like this: whenever the condition happens, the result always happens too. Let's look at a couple of examples. If it rains, the ground gets wet. This is always true. Rain makes the ground wet, no exceptions. If you heat ice, it melts. Again, this is a scientific fact. Every time you heat ice, it melts. Simple. Now, remember, both parts of the sentence use the present simple tense. That's what makes it the zero conditional. There's no uncertainty, just facts. Here are a few more examples to help you understand. If you don't water plants, they die. If you touch a flame, it burns you. Do you see the pattern? The if clause shows the condition, and the main clause shows the result. Both are in the present simple. Summary: zero conditional. Use the zero conditional to talk about facts and universal truths. The structure zero conditional is, if present simple, it's used when the result is always true if the condition happens.